Good morning, children. Children, let's learn about using adjectives for comparison. Tota is the happiest parrot in the forest because she has found a tree full of juicy mangoes. Ha ha! Yoo-hoo! She knows that Jojo also loves mangoes, so she goes looking for him. Tota finds Jojo and tells him about the mango tree that has the biggest delicious and juicy mangoes she has ever seen. Jojo is as happy as Tota and follows her back to the tree. Tota and Jojo start eating the mangoes. Ha ha! Yoo-hoo! Ha ha! Ha ha! Tota wants to show off, so she utters, "Look what a big mango I have." And then Jojo says that his mango is bigger than hers. Tota tells Jojo that his mango might be bigger, but hers is sweeter than his. Jojo gets angry. He bets that his mango is the sweetest of all the mangoes on this tree. And so they start to fight. Thad is walking when he finds that Tota and Jojo are fighting. He tells them that both the mangoes look just as big and sweet as the other. He asks them to stop fighting and taste each other's mangoes. Soon Tota finds that Jojo's mango is as big as hers, and Jojo learns that Tota's mango is just as sweet as his. They said sorry to each other and looked happier they lived before. So children, did you see that the adjectives big, sweet and happy have been used in different forms in the story? Big, sweet and happy. Big, bigger, biggest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Happy, happier, happiest. Adjectives are used in different forms when they are comparing two or more people, places, animals or things. In other words, adjectives are used in different forms when they are used to compare nouns. These are the three kinds of comparison of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Do you notice that Jojo's mango is the same size as Tota's mango? To compare them, we say Jojo's mango is as big as Tota's mango. This kind of comparison is called the positive degree. It is used to compare two equal nouns and it is placed between the words as and as. In this example, the two mangoes are of the same size, so we say they are as big as each other because we are comparing equal nouns. So children, do you notice here that Jojo's mango is bigger than Toto's mango? Yes, to compare them, we say Jojo's mango is bigger than Toto's mango. This kind of comparison is called the comparative degree. It is used to compare the two unequal nouns and is followed by the word then. In this example, the two mangoes are not of the same size. One mango is bigger than the other. We are comparing unequal nouns, so we have used bigger than. Children, do you notice that Jojo's mango is much bigger than all the other mangoes on the tree? We say that Jojo has the biggest mango. This comparison is called the superlative degree. It is used to compare three or more nouns and is the most advanced form of the adjectives. And the word the is always placed before it. In this example, we are comparing many mangoes. One mango is bigger than all the others. Or we can say that one mango is the most big of all other mangoes. The most advanced form of the big is the biggest. We are comparing several things and choosing the most advanced one. We have used the biggest. Now, let us look some more examples of degrees of comparison. Short, shorter, shortest. Young, younger, youngest. Cold, colder, coldest. Long, longer, longest. Hard, harder, hardest. We have learned how to make comparison using different forms of adjectives. Children, we have also learned that 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. That's all for today, children.